In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find duplicates in very large data sets using Tableau. Handling duplicates efficiently is key for data analysts to ensure clean and reliable data insights. Even in massive data sets, Tableau makes it manageable, and today I'll show you just how. To begin with, make sure you have the Tableau public app open. If you haven't installed it yet, just hop onto the Tableau website and download the latest version. Once you're set up, launch the application. When Tableau is running, the first thing you want to do is open your worksheet. This is where we'll be performing all our steps today. Now think about what fields in your dataset might be duplicates. In many cases, this might be a row ID or any other field combination that uniquely identifies a record. It's crucial to choose wisely here because the accuracy of the duplicates you detect will depend on this decision. With your combination of fields decided, you'll want to adjust your filters. Start by dragging the row ID or your chosen field combination over to the Filters pane. The Filters pane is fundamental in Tableau for refining your dataset based on specified criteria, and it's a powerful way to focus on the data you're interested in analyzing. When the Filter dialog box appears, you'll need to define the condition to identify your duplicates. To do this, set the condition as at least and input the number 2. What this tells Tableau is that you only want to see records where your specified field or fields appear 2 or more times. This filter setting effectively highlights all duplicate records in your large dataset. Once the filter is set, Tableau automatically adjusts the view to display solely those records where the chosen fields appear more than once. This process of filtering isolates the duplicates, making it easier to address them individually or collectively depending on your specific need. And there you have it. Your view should now clearly show where the duplicates exist in your data. Identifying duplicates is essential for data integrity, as they can skew analyses, leading to inaccurate insights. With this filtering technique, you've learned a precise method for maintaining clean data sets in Tableau. Should you require further investigations or adjustments, feel free to experiment with different field combinations or tweaking filter conditions to tailor the process to your specific dataset needs. Remember, keeping our data pristine is an ongoing process, and with these foundational skills in Tableau, you're well on your way to ensuring more accurate data-driven decisions. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore more of our videos for additional tips and tricks in Tableau.